This is a groovy space, and we have an abandoned car here in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. This is a 1973 Ford Falcon Ute XB500. We have spoken to Vic Road, and they have confirmed both the VIN as well as the engine, which is you see really later on in the back of the Ute. Both are not stolen, and they have not been registered since 2000. You will also get a PPSR, and it will state that the car has not been registered. Go into the have a look at the photo for the VIN number as well as the engine number. This is the condition. Says 250 here, but it also says this is a Falcon 500. Note the condition. The kilometer reading here is 41,609, either miles or kilometers, no idea. Let's show you the top as well. Here's the engine. Okay. It's missing the tailgate as well as the two-door and the seats, and yeah, it's missing a lot of things. Okay, here's the engine, and we managed to locate the engine number, which is just here. And again, have a look at the photo for the engine number, so that if you want clarification from VIN Road, please speak to them. Okay, I'm gonna below. Excuse me. course, this is not supplied to you. This wheel clamp is not part of the sale. Again, this is in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. Thank you for watching.